So guys, welcome to Aquaria KLCC. Yes, David, we are finally here. Eh? Okay, let's go. Let's go. It's like electric fish. Wow. If you use this one, cook soup.
I'm going to tap it in.
Huh?
I'm going to do it like this.
Yeah, barbecue and point and kill.
This fish can bite, right? The fish can bite, right?
Oh no, sea fish, oh, there are many there. Guys, sea fish, barbecue. Be careful.
Would you swim here for $1 million?
If I can swim for $1 million.
Yeah.
Yes. Yo, let me be there. Oh, this fish was sweet.
I'm coming to tell you that they want to eat us.
Look at that one. Look at that big one. Oh my God. See this big one. Look at that one. Look at that one over there also. See that one over there.
That one that looks like a shark. That one looks like
No.
you touch it, you're cooked.
Why would you touch it? We are entering inside the main aquarium. Yes, but there's queue here. That's the entrance over there. This place is a bit dark, huh? You enter this one, you enter through there and come out the other way around.
What's this?
See, see, see.
It's not the fish with the show.
You see shark?
Shark. Is that shark?
You want them to put big joke. Come and see. Are you seeing it? Don't climb there, don't climb there. Okay, come. Wow. Some fish go sweet if you use them and do barbecue. Eh? Oh my god. Yes, no? Barbecue and pepper soup. Wow! Oh my god, it's so big. Look at it. You're not making video. Have you seen this one? Look at this one. Oh, look at this one. Huh? Yes. The other one is coming. Oh, there are many there.
Do not eat or drink during your time inside the tunnel. Ensure that your family, friends, group or partners are with you at all times. Kindly reach out to any of our staff nearby if you need an assistance. Thank you for choosing Aquaria KLCC as a place of visit today. Have a good day,
Oh my god. Look at this one.
I love flatfish.
Wow. There's so many.
Mommy, that's Kylian Mbappe.
Huh?
That's Kylian Mbappe.
Look, you want to go see the turtle? Come on, let's go see the turtle. Come on. Look at the turtle. This turtle is so big.
It's going down.
Divers. Wow, this is huge. Oh my god.
Oh, he got stuck in the no.
She's a diver.
Okay, he's free. Not free.